I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Kohl's reported its second quarter earnings results on Thursday, posting an EPS of 84 cents, topping the street estimate of 82 cents. The company also posted revenues in the quarter rose 7.7% to $4.1 billion, which was slightly higher than the street estimate of $4.09 billion. Kohl's comparable store sales for the quarter increased 4.6%. Kohl said it expects third quarter EPS of 57 to 63 cents versus the street estimate of 74 cents. For the third quarter, Kohl's expects total sales to increase between 4.5% and 6.5%, comparable store sales to increase 2 to 4%, and gross margin as a percent of sales to increase 20 to 40 basis points over last year. The company expects selling, general, and administrative expenses to increase between 10 and 11%. For the fourth quarter, the company expects total sales to increase between 4.5% and 6.5%, comparable store sales to increase 2 to 4%, and gross margin as a percent of sales to increase 20 to 40 basis points over last year. The company expects selling and general administrative expenses to increase between 3 and 4%. This would result in earnings per diluted share of $1.51 to $1.59 for the fourth quarter. Meanwhile, the company said it expects fiscal year 2010 EPS of $3.57 to $3.70 versus the street estimate of $3.76. Kevin Mansell, Kohl's chairman, president, and chief executive officer, said, quote, "We are pleased with our financial results for the second quarter. We continue to gain market share as reflected in our performance in both comparable and total sales growth. This sales performance, along with strong inventory management, allowed us to continue to increase our gross margin rate. We are particularly pleased by our leverage in store payroll and marketing, which offset our important long-term investment in e-commerce in the second quarter and resulted in us delivering a better overall expense results." I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also find more earnings stories on our website. That's tradethetrend.com.